So hello guys, welcome once again to my channel Technical Queen Anjali. And today in this video we are going to see that how we can use Twitter. And guys, in my previous video I had told you about that what is Twitter and how we can create our account on Twitter. So guys, if you hadn't seen my previous video yet, then you can check out my that video from clicking on the I button coming above the screen. But now guys, let's see how we can use Twitter. So guys, when you will open your Twitter app, you will see some user interface like this where you will be able to see the tweets of yourself and the people whom you are following. Guys, this screen is known as home screen. Then guys, next to this home screen, you will be able to see one search bar. Here you can search any trending tweet, any hashtag and any profile of Twitter. Let me show you how hashtag works in Twitter. Like you write hashtag good morning and then you will search. Then all over the world, all tweets that are posted with the hashtag good morning will come to the screen. Like you can see all the tweets are having the hashtag good morning. So guys, this was how hashtag works in Twitter. Then if you want to search any profile, like if I want to search IRCTC, then I will write @IRCTC and I will search. And the official profile of IRCTC will come over to my screen. So guys, you can see the official profile of IRCTC has came to my screen. When I will click on it, I can see one option of following here. So if you want to follow anyone, you will simply click on this option like this and you will click on the bell icon and you will select the option all tweets for getting all tweets of that profile. And here you can see the bio, his location, their website, when they have joined the Twitter, their followings and followers on that their profile. And here you can also see their tweets and replies, their medias and their likes. So guys, this was how you can search any profile on Twitter. Then guys, if you want to search any trending tweet or any tweet related to news, sports, so you will simply click on the above options like for you, COVID-19, trending, news, and many more options are given here like sports, fun, entertainment. So you can search any tweet related to them also here. Then guys, here you can see one bell icon. In the bell icon you will get all the notifications which are happening to your account. Like if someone has retweeted your tweet, liked your tweet, commented on your tweet or shared your tweet, or if someone whom you are following has tweeted anything, that will show in this notification section. And in the mention box, it will show the tweets of those people who have tweeted their tweets by mentioning you. So if someone has mentioned your name and tweeted any tweet, that will come in this mention section. Then guys, here you can see one message box. Guys, in the message box you can write message to someone and you can receive message from someone also. So guys, for writing message you have to simply click on this message box and here you have to select the people whom you want to send message. Then you have to click on this next option and then here you have to write a message, and then by clicking here you can send that message to that people. So guys, let's see how we can tweet for ourselves. So for writing tweet, you have to simply click on this option and you have to write any tweet. Guys, you can also add images to your tweet. You can also add any GIFs to your tweet, like I have click on this GIF and I will choose this GIF and then this GIF is added to my tweet. If you want to cut it, then you can cut it from here also. As you can do polling also, like I have written what is best and I can do polling. Like I will give choices between them, like apple and mango. If you want to add more choices, then you will simply click on this plus option and more options will come, like banana and mango. And guys, maximum you can give 4 options. And guys, here by clicking on this option you can also set a length of poll. So guys, if you want to create a thread between the tweets of yourself, then you can click on this option and you can create one thread also. And guys, after writing your tweet, you will simply click on this tweet option and your tweet will be tweeted like this. And then guys, if you want to give your location, then you can also click on this location option and you will click on this enable option and your location will be enabled. So if anyone will read your post, then he or she will be able to say that from which part of the world you are tweeting. And guys, if you want to write more than one tweet, then you will simply click on this plus option and then you will be able to write more than one tweet. So now guys, let me show you how you can write any tweet. So guys, this was how you can write any tweet. And if you want to like any tweet, you have to simply click on this option. So guys, for liking any tweet, you have to simply click on the heart option below that tweet. Guys, if you want to retweet any tweet, you will simply click on this option and you will retweet. Then guys, if you want to retweet the tweet with comment, then you will simply click on this option and you will write retweet with comment and you will write comment and you will retweet. And guys, if you want to undo the tweet, and if you have retweeted any tweet and if you want to undo that retweet, you will simply click on this option again and you will click on undo retweet. And guys, if you want to do any comment on this tweet, then you will click on this option of comment and you will write any comment and you will click on tweet. And guys, if you want to delete any tweet done by you, because you can only delete the tweets that are done by you, so you will simply click on this option, the option which is showing behind the time. You will simply click on this option and you will click on delete tweet and you will click on yes, like this. So guys, our tweets are deleted. Now guys, if you want to see your profile, then you will simply click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will see some interface like this. Here you have to click on this profile option. When you will click on profile option, you will be able to see your profile. Like here you will be able to see your header photo. Guys, if you want to apply your header photo, you will click on edit profile. You will simply click on this and you can choose any option, take photo or choose existing photos. And if you want to remove your header, then you can also choose the option remove header. And guys, the size of header must be 1500 into 500. And guys, here you can also give any profile pic to your account. Here you can give your name. Here you can also give your bio, location, any website link and your birth date, and then you will click on save option. Now guys, here you can also see your followings and your followers, and here you will be able to see your tweets. Then you will drag it and you will be able to see the tweets as well as replies of you. Like if someone has tweeted any tweet and you have liked that tweet or commented or retweeted that tweet, that will show in this section only. And in the media option, it will show the photos and videos that you have tweeted. So now I have not tweeted any photos or videos, that's why this section is blank. And in the section of like, it will show the tweets that are liked by you. And guys, there is one more option of setting in privacy here. When you will click on this option and when you will click on this account option, you will be able to change your username from here. You will be able to add your phone number. You can also change or add your email address, and you can also change your password from here. And guys, if you want to log out from your account, then you will simply click on this option and you will click on OK. Then you will be log out from your account. And guys, if you want to deactivate your account, you will simply click on this option and then you will click on deactivate. Then here you will give your password and you will click on this deactivate option and you will click on yes, deactivate. Then guys, your account will be deactivated, but your account will be permanently deactivated in the 30 days of deactivation. If in this between time you want to reactivate your account, then you can reactivate. Then guys, there is one more thing which is most important. If you want to tweet someone, you will simply search their profile. Like if I want to tweet IRCTC, I will go to their profile and then you will click on this option of tweet. Then you can see he or she will automatically mentioned here. Then here you can write any tweet and you will simply click on this tweet option. Then that tweet will automatically go to him or her. And guys, there is one more way of giving tweet to someone. Means if you want to give tweet to IRCTC, there is one more way. You will click on this option only on the tweet, and here you will mention them like @ IRCTC, and here you will write if any tweet and you will click on the tweet option. That tweet will also go to IRCTC. And guys, add more than one account, then you will simply click on this option. When you will click on this option, you will see some interface like this where you will get two options. The first one will be of create a new account. If you want to create one new account, you will click on this option and then here you will give your name, phone number or email address and the method that I have told. By following simply that method, you can create one more account. And if you are having an existing account and if you want to log in that, you will click on this option add an existing account, and here you will give your phone number, email address or username of that account, and here you will give password of that account and you will click on this option of login. So guys, this was how you can use Twitter, and I hope using Twitter is as simple as creating account on Twitter. So guys, if the video was helpful for you, then please like my video and please do subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon to get the notifications of my latest videos. Thank you.